Want to just talk about the couple of options with the snipping tool when you're looking to use images for clarification on things or whatnot. So right now I have this parcel map open here, and you can see this parcel right here. I'm sending an email that I want to show that this property boundary goes over this road. So a couple options. Number one, just actually search for the snipping tool on your computer, and so I don't think this is going to show on the screen, but so here's the snipping tool. I'll drop it in here for a second so you can see it, and then you just hit new and select your boundary there, and then you can copy it here, and then I would paste it into. I'll drop my email over here so you can see the email also. So then I could drop that in to here, which is that image. Assuming it loads, there it goes. And then I could resize it. So I just want to show you the other option, and that would be if I were, let me go back here. So just using hotkeys, if you use the window button on your keyboard plus Shift and S, so I'll just hit those buttons, Alt, Window, Shift, S. It immediately dims the screen for snipping, and then you can select that, and then it immediately copies what you've snipped, and so that's already copied, and then I could just hit Control V to paste, and then there it is. So just kind of a shortcut for doing a quick snippet and copy. So that's it.